In this video, I am going to show you how to add Google reCAPTCHA to your Elementor website or any WordPress website, and also everything about CAPTCHA, Google reCAPTCHA version 1, version 2, version 3, how to work all of them with live demo and some extra fact about CAPTCHA. If you want to skip this video portion, then timestamp in the description. You can jump it by a single click. So hello guys, I'm Imam Sadiq and welcome to WW Engineer. Okay, before watching how to add reCAPTCHA to your website, first let's know a little bit about CAPTCHA. CAPTCHA full meaning is completely automated public Turing test to tell computers and humans apart. In a simple word, CAPTCHA is designed to ensure an online user is really a human and not a bot. Now it could be from Google, Edge CAPTCHA, Cloudflare Transtyle, Icon CAPTCHA, Honeypot, and there are a lot of CAPTCHA provider. Also some WordPress dedicate CAPTCHA plugin, separate service, and some security plugins can provide you protection from like this spamming. CAPTCHA is invented in 1997 by Louis von Ahn, but it is fully named in 2003. In early stage, CAPTCHA was like this: unaligned letter, rapid number, character, simple calculation, fun game, etc. It was quite interruption, time spending, and hard for the people who has visual disability. And also, day by day, robot was even more expert in solving CAPTCHA. So, to get rid of this problem, Google launched No CAPTCHA reCAPTCHA version 2 in 2014. It is hard for bot and easy to human. In this case, users don't need to solve CAPTCHA, but sometimes. Anyway, in 2007, Google launched CAPTCHA version 1. Now it is not available. It's been shut down in 18. On the other hand, version 2 has two variations: version 2 with checkbox and version 2 no checkbox with reCAPTCHA badge. Sometimes this both can challenge the user with image or audio recognition task when it is confused between human and bot. Today we have reCAPTCHA version 3. It is also invisible. Now let's talk about how to work Google reCAPTCHA in brief. Google technology is very smart. They have their own advanced machine learning. From opening the browser, it can detect real user actions. For example, human mouse movement, browsing history, repeating the same task, cooking settings, IP address, and some hidden parameters that Google never going to tell us. Also, reCAPTCHA version 3 works with advanced machine learning, but it's a little bit different from version 2, which analyzes user interaction and generates score for each user based on their behavior and pattern. Instead of simple pass-fail result, the score range from 0.0 to 1.0, where 0.0 is stand for bot and 1.0 for human. If reCAPTCHA version 3 detect you as a bot, then nothing to do your end, you may get blocked. In reCAPTCHA v3, you might face some issues sometime like teamwork, if there are a lot of users from same IP, same Wi-Fi. So in this case, you can go with version 2 invisible. And also sometimes reCAPTCHA can down website loading performance. If you observe like so, then you can consider what to do. Now let's see how to add Google reCAPTCHA to your Elementor site or any WordPress website. For information, you can add CAPTCHA to WordPress website by provider official plugin, third-party plugin, add-on plugin helper, or their most popular forum builder like Contact Forum 7, WP Forum, Gravity Forum, Fluent Forum, etc. No matter how you add CAPTCHA to your website, but at first you need to get site key and secret key for your website. So go to Google, then search for create Google reCAPTCHA, go to first link. If you are first time in this page, then you have to sign in first. Otherwise, if you are already signed in with your Gmail account in the browser, then by default you're gonna see your Gmail is logged in. Look at here, this Gmail is automatically selected for this reCAPTCHA page. Now we need to write here a label. You can type whatever you want. It is just for future recognition. You see here two type CAPTCHA, V3 and V2. By default, V3 is selected. If I select version 2, then look at here, we have other two options. I am not a robot checkbox and invisible reCAPTCHA badge. If you can add one type CAPTCHA to your website, then also you can add other two types. The method is same to same. For now, I'm gonna select this one. Then we need to write here our domain name. Move your mouse here and read this instruction carefully. If although I am going to add this reCAPTCHA to demo.wwengineer.com, but I have to write here only wwengineer.com. Sometime you might see here an agreement checkbox. I am agree with Google term and condition or something like that. So check that box and click submit button. You see our site key and secret key successfully has been created. Now we need to go to the website where we want to add this reCAPTCHA. I'm opening my website. You wanna go your website. As I told you before, you can add CAPTCHA to your website by Elementor or most popular Forum Builder. Also dedicate CAPTCHA plugin. For now, I'm gonna go with Elementor. Also, I will show you with CAPTCHA plugin. Just keep watching this video. So you see, I have already installed Elementor. Go to settings and then integrations. Scroll down a little bit. You see here we have reCAPTCHA. This is for version 2 and reCAPTCHA V3. It is for V3. Also you see here threshold. This is in middle point 0.5. So keep it as it is here. For now we are working V2, so we need to copy and paste here site key and secret key. So go to Google site and then copy this site key and paste it here. Again copy this secret key and paste it here. So scroll down totally bottom side and click save changes. Now in Elementor, we need to work with forum widget. So it can be done in theme builder, landing page, other theme building options, post or page. For now, I'm going to create a new page. This is page name. For now, click edit with Elementor. So in left side, scroll down. You see here Pro. First time you have to have Elementor Pro in your website installed. If you don't have, then you can't find this widget. So I'm gonna drag this forum widget. You see by default we have three options here: name, email, message. So I'm going to leave as it is here. It is just for demonstration. You can add or delete whatever you want. You don't want. For now I'm going to click add new item. Click this drop down. Here you see lot of options. This is for V2. Click this one. After select reCAPTCHA, you see automatically we have here I am not a robot checkbox. So now let's check it out. Click publish and then preview this page. So here if I click I am not a robot, then you see it is working very fine. I'm going to here select a stair. So click all this stair. Also this one, next. Also we have here audio challenge. This is for the people who have visual disability.
All cucumbers contain.
Also you can change it.
An optimal experience.
Back to visual reCAPTCHA. So now I have to select bicycle. Click this 4 images. Next, again I have to select and verify. We have successfully added reCAPTCHA version 2 in our Elementor website. Now let's see the same thing with a dedicated CAPTCHA plugin. So go to plugin and then add new, and right here reCAPTCHA. You see lot of CAPTCHA plugin available. You can work with them for CAPTCHA stuff. For now I'm going to install this one, Advanced Google reCAPTCHA. It is by Web Factory Limited, and also you can see what can you do with this plugin. You see, click install now and activate it. So after activation, go to settings, then Advanced Google reCAPTCHA. You see here lot of option, lot of CAPTCHA available here. Now by default it is disabled. Built-in match CAPTCHA, it is coming from this plugin. Also this one itself, built-in icon CAPTCHA, and here is Google reCAPTCHA v2, also v3 available, and Edge CAPTCHA, Cloudflare Transtyle, but you have to purchase Pro. This plugin has some amazing feature. You see here where to show activity. You can see exactly the activities on your website. Login protection, you see here all this option, and then firewall. This is also very useful feature, and here country blocking, design, and some pro feature you have to purchase first. For now, go to CAPTCHA and then select this v2, and same like before we need to put here side key and secret key, so I'm going to do that. So after putting side key and secret key, we need to verify this CAPTCHA. You see here verify CAPTCHA, otherwise it's not going to work. So click this verify CAPTCHA, and I'm not robot, again stare, next. Yeah, successfully we have completed CAPTCHA. Okay, then we need to click save changes. You see CAPTCHA is enabled in our website. Now the time is where we need to show. Go to where to show, and you see here login form, registration, lost password, comment, WooCommerce. If you install WooCommerce in your website, then you can enable this option, and easy digital download registration. Also you can install that plugin and you can use it. Another radio button for body paste registration. Click save changes. Now let's check it out, this plugin really does work or not. So I'm going to log out from this website. You see here is a new thing, I'm not a robot checkbox. This option was not available before. Login. From this plugin, one option worked successfully in our website. That means also other features going to work. Also rating and review are quite positive for this plugin. Furthermore, 95% of people gave this 5-star rating. You can check it out. So that's all for today. Hope you have learned something new. Also hope you liked this video. If you have any question or suggestion, don't hesitate to write in comment section below. Thanks for watching.